Good morning, students. Now, after the explanation of present continuous, now I am going to teach you about the usage of past continuous. Past continuous is also important topic for us, that what we have done, our action, which type of action we have done, till which time our action is continued. How can we know? By knowing the past continuous. So at first we have to know that where can we use past continuous. Okay, so past continuous is used to express those type of action. What I am saying? Those type of action which was started and finished in past times. Okay, इन आर प्रीवियस टाइम। ऐसे काम के लिए, ऐसे वर्क के लिए हम लोग पास्ट कंटिन्यूस का यूज़ करते हैं जो हमारे जो पूर्व के समय हैं उसमें शुरू हुए और उसी में समाप्त हो गए। दिस टाइप ऑफ फॉर दैट दोज टाइप ऑफ एक्शन वी विल यूज पास्ट कंटिन्यूस। ओके, दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल यू आर लुकिंग ऑन द स्क्रीन। इट वॉज रेनिंग all the day yesterday. It was raining all the day yesterday. Yesterday is indicating about our past time, and was raining is the structure of past continuous. Next, what are the next rules? Where can we use past continuous? Past continuous is used to express those type of action in which one action was continued when other action was more important. ओके, हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? दैट मीन्स पास्ट कंटिन्यूस को हम लोग वैसे एक्शन के लिए प्रयोग करते हैं जो एक एक्शन हो रहा था, जिसमें एक एक्शन हो रहा था लेकिन दूसरा एक्शन जो हुआ वो ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट था। ओके, बाय द एग्जाम्पल आई थिंक यू बेटर अंडरस्टैंड। सो सी द एग्जाम्पल। व्हाट इज द एग्जाम्पल? वाइल आई वॉज राइटिंग द फोन रैंग। ओके, वाइल आई वॉज राइटिंग, दैट मीन्स व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग the phone rang. Ringing of phone is more important. You are doing your work, writing, and at sudden time suddenly the phone rang. There may be possible that the important message for you, important call for you, so it is important. So in this type of action we will use past continuous. Next we are going to know that what are the next condition where we can use the past continuous. When two action was happening at the same time in past time. Have you understood? When two action was happening at the past time, जब दो वर्क एक साथ हो रहा है, एक ही समय पर हो रहा है, तो पास्ट कंटिन्यूस का हम लोग प्रयोग करते हैं। ओके, बाय द एग्जाम्पल you can better understand. So see the example on your screen. When Tom was reading, Abdul was writing. Okay, when Tom was reading, Abdul was writing. That means जब Tom लिख रहा था, अब्दुल क्या कर रहा था? जब Tom पढ़ रहा था, अब्दुल लिख रहा था। दोनों ही काम पास्ट कंटिन्यूस में एक साथ हो रहा है, तो इसके लिए हम लोग पास्ट कंटिन्यूस का प्रयोग करेंगे। वी विल यूज पास्ट कंटिन्यूस फॉर दैट। I think that you are better understanding that where the past continuous is used. And next types of condition, past continuous is used in indirect speech at the place of present continuous. Okay, indirect speech, that means when the sentence of direct speech in present continuous, the reporting verb is in present continuous, then in indirect speech we will have to use past continuous at the place of present continuous. So by the example you can better understand. See the example. He said I am doing nothing. He said I am doing nothing. It is the direct speech. And indirect speech you are looking that I am doing nothing is the reporting verb. So when we are changing in indirect speech, he said that he was doing nothing. At the place of I am doing nothing, I have used what? Was doing nothing. That means present continuous take the place. At the place of present continuous we have used past continuous. So these are the usage of past continuous. Where can we use past continuous? So I hope you have understood that where the past continuous is used. Now we are going to know the structure of past continuous tenses. First we have to know the affirmative sentence. For that you have to at first write the subject. Whenever any sentence is started, that means first subject, and after that was, were. If there is the singular subject, then was, and if there is plural subject, then were. And after that you have to write V4, that means ing word, and after that object and other words. This is the structure of affirmative sentence. This is the example. He was singing a song. Okay, he was singing a song, that means वह एक गीत गा रहा था, गाना गा रहा था. Now we are going to know the structure of negative sentence. It is also most important for us. Subject, at first you have to write subject, and after that was, were. I have told you that where the was is used. Whenever there is the singular subject, then was. Whenever there is the plural subject, then were. And after that you have to write not, then V4, that means ing word, and after that object, and after that other words. So this is the structure of negative past continuous, and by the example you can better understand. He was not singing a song, that means वह गाना नहीं गा रहा था. So after that we are going to know that interrogative structure of past continuous. What is the interrogative structure of past continuous? Interrogative structure of past continuous is that at first you have to write at the place of subject, you have to write was, were, and after that subject, then V4, that means ing word, and after that object, and then other words. This is the structure of interrogative past continuous, and by the example you can better understand. That is the example. You are looking the example on your screen, that was he singing a song. You are asking a question. By this sentence you are asking a question, क्या वह गाना गा रहा था. So was he singing a song? So I hope that you have better understand the usage of past continuous, the structure of past continuous, and by this you can do your all exercises for the past continuous which are related with the past continuous, and you can express your views and opinion among the people which is related with past continuous. So thank you for today.